Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball with a joystick on PC. First, ensure your joystick is properly connected to your computer. For wired controllers, simply plug the USB cable into an available port. If you are using a wireless model, pair it via Bluetooth. Always confirm your joystick has sufficient battery life before starting. This initial step is crucial for your system to recognize the device and prepare for gameplay. Once connected, your PC should automatically install the necessary drivers. You can verify this by searching for Setup USB game controllers in Windows. This utility allows you to test each button and the two analog sticks, ensuring they respond correctly. It is important to confirm all inputs are working before launching the game. This step helps troubleshoot any connection issues early on. Now, launch eFootball and navigate to the main menu. From there, find the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Within the settings, locate Controller Settings or Gamepad Settings. Here, you will select your connected joystick as the active input device. This tells the game to accept commands from your controller instead of the keyboard. Finally, customize your controls to match your playstyle. The game allows you to map actions like passing, shooting, and throw balls to specific buttons. You can also adjust the sensitivity of the two analog sticks for precise movement and executing skill moves. Remember to save your personalized controller profile. This ensures your preferred setup is ready every time you play, offering a consistent and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.